Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Antenna Based Exploitation and Optimization Using Machine Learning Techniques. In our project, abstract is design and exploring using numerical field simulation to the approach to the analyze the antenna performance analysis of the parameter. So in this project, main concept of the abstract, so antenna parameter wise how much gain will be acquired, we are using the machine learning techniques. So in such many data describing that the mapping from the design variable to response of the function or generator. In this work, the different machine learning algorithm techniques we are applied to the analyze the data and then antenna performance. So this antenna derive the simulation wise. So we have collecting the data in simulation wise. After the simulation, we have take the data. That data we have using the machine learning techniques. We have predict your model. So we have collect the data after the pre-processing, data splitting and classification using machine learning algorithm. So finally we have predicted the antenna quality. So the quality is the high or the normal dimension reducing, we have the exploring for that algorithm. So in this machine learning algorithm, we are implemented the random forest algorithm. We get that improved result for the accuracy and losses and MSC value. In our project flowchart based, so first we have collecting the dataset in the antenna parameter dataset, that based on the Kaggle wise we have collecting the data. So after that, the data preprocessing means data cleaning purpose. So data cleaning means we are reducing the missing values and label encoding means string to integer conversion. After that, the data splitting process means we have that training the model after the testing the model. So training the model, 80% of training and 20% of testing. For example, in your data set is a 10,000 rows and then 45 column means 8,000 rows for the training purpose and then 2,000 rows for the testing purpose. That is a data splitting wise. After the classification, this antenna quality is a normal or abnormal. That is the classification using the random forest and then SVM algorithm. Random forest also machine learning algorithm, and SVM means support vector machine algorithm. That also is a machine learning algorithm. Finally, we have predicted the 0 and 1s, the performance analysis we are calculating. How much accuracy will be occur, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix. This is everything based on the performance matrix analysis. So first you will open your the Anaconda Spider tool. First you will execute the code. So first we have import your the data set, data selection process. So this is the data selection process. After this data pre-processing module. So this is the data pre-processing module. After the handling, if you have any missing values, we are checking. So bandwidth wise 126 values are missing. So after the handling missing values, everything is 0. So after the how much row and column will be checking. That ways is a data splitting process. 80% of training and 20% of testing data. After using the random forest algorithm, we get the 64% confusion matrix. After the decision tree algorithm, we get the 98% best accuracy. After the ADA boost, we have compared it is 68, and then SVM also we get the 68. So random forest the best in this algorithm we have compared it. So first we have the data set. After the came in clustering and then confusion matrix, everything.